From the start, you were first. He loves you at your worst. He'll do anything. A father, he shows you what love is. Saw your dreams before you did. He'll give everything. Like your heavenly Father.
Hello, mahal ko. Happy Father's Day. Maraming salamat sa pagiging mabuting ama mo kay JP tsaka kay Lois. Mahal na mahal ka namin. We love you. Kiss sa daddy. Kiss.
He loves you.
Happy Father's Day, Papa. Thank you for everything. Thank you for being a kind and loving father to me. I love you and I miss you. Wala lang ako isa.
Okay na?
Papa. Father's Day, Papa. Thank you for everything you have done for me. Please take good care of yourself, Tita Princess and Baby Luis. I hope to see you all soon. Thank you.
Feels your pain when you do, has the words to give you. He is everything. Like your heavenly Father, I see love in my Father's eyes.
Happy Father's Day, Daddy. Thank you for everything. We love you.
He loves you. A father's like a father when he carries you through. I am my Father's daughter, as I'm loving another. See love from my Father in heaven through the eyes of my Father.
Hi, honey! Malapit ka na maging father. Kaya I'm so excited. Next year, magse-celebrate na tayo with David. And just wanna say na thank you for everything. Thank you for being a husband and soon-to-be dad. And happy Father's Day. David and I love you so much. Mwah! Ate.
Nada, Happy Father's Day. Miss ka na namin. I love you. God bless. Ay, ikaw naman. Ay, ikaw naman. Good morning, Daddy. I love you. Today, or video.
As my Father on earth, through the eyes of my Father on earth.
Daddy, we miss you. We love you. Happy Father's Day! We love you, Mark. Mwah. I miss you. Take care always of your health and always pray. I love you so much. I love you. Bago akong song sa'yo. No, I love you till the end. Love you, Dad. Love you much. Mwah. Happy Father's Day, Daddy. Love you. Love you much. Always take care. Always take care. Thank you for being a good daddy. Love you. Love you. Mwah. Mwah. Love you. Mwah. Love you. Mwah. Miss you, Dad. Miss you, Dad. Miss you so much. Ingat ka lagi dyan. Ingat ka lagi dyan, Daddy. Love you. Love you.
Will I be tall and strong and brave? There is no power on earth like your Father's love, so big and so strong as your Father's love.
Ibig na binigan sa amin ng may kapal, biyaya ka sa buhay ko. Pag-ibig ko'y ikaw. Happy Father's Day, Daddy! We love you. Thank you for all your support and sa sacrifice mo para sa amin. Napakabuti mo sa buhay namin. Thank you. We love you and we truly miss you. God bless you more.
Find its way, and I know the world is always